Back on Panda-Frog here. We are going to pick the Stabilit A20 out of the box and we're gonna try a speedpick on it. And of course I don't have a knife here. Why would I have a knife in my work area? I will just use this nice tool. So that's the package. There are two in here. Maybe I will give one away at some point. So it's a 20 millimeter, and you guys know I like the small logs. Yeah, I leave one in here. Damn, it's tiny again, huh? No nice snap, nothing. Sorry. Okay, let's get this one in a vise. Let's pick it first and then try the out of the box thingy. No, let's do the out of the box thing right now and the speed picking part later. I will use, where is it? I'm always so not prepared for my videos. Oh, that was pretty easy. Looked like one pin or something. Alright, so let's speed pick it. Might be a nice contender for speed picking. I will zoom in for you guys and have to set the camera angle a little, not on the marks in the background. I believe that should be good. Used the key before. Let me get one of the keys out of the key ring. Actually, let me get, yeah, it's easier that way. Alright, so the key. Used it. Let's see if I can get a okay. Let me get a couple tries to get used to the lock. I have to watch the time because I got training today. Trying to figure out the pins. Ah, damn it. Of course, now I'm not getting it. Acts really strange, like there are spools in here, but I don't believe there are spools in. It's the first pin. Second. Okay. Okay. Alright, I think I got it. Maybe. between 1 and 2 seconds would be fine. Alright. Shit. I might use different tension. That might work. I just want a quick time, so a fast time. Alright, use the key. Tension is in. Okay, so that wasn't too bad. Not great, but also not too bad. Alright, let's get one more quick one and then it should be good. Okay, well, out of the pack, Speedpick Stabilit A20. Thank you for watching and see you next time. Bye bye.